Manipuragi karigumba khara kathokna thau sungnabagi damak pambi thabada aikhoida mangjaba karisu leiroi haina Manipurgi Chief Minister Nongthamam Biren phongdokre wafam asing Manipurgi Agriculture Department asinduna nongmagi oiba khana nainabagi thoram ama national gi thakta chungmairongda leiba Hotel Classic Grande da pangthokpada Chief Minister na phongdokhibani Thoram adudan N Biren thoram mapu oikhibaga loinana Agriculture Minister Oriba TH Bisoljit Health ki Additional Chief Secretary amadi ex official Chairman of SLSC Olpa Manipur IAS B Bumlunmang Manipur ki Agriculture Commissioner IAS M Joy yauna tongan ba scientist amadi researcher kayana khana nainabagi thoram adubu mapung oina saruk yaki Thoram aduga mari lainana Chief Minister na hai Manipur da pambi tharagani haina tawbadagi tongan ba tonga kaya ama santorakli adubu scientifically proved tawduna jangeng kaya yenglaba matung pambi thabana mangjaba karisu leite habasi khangle haiki ngasi pangthokliba workshop asida su tongan ba CSO sing scientist sing amadi researcher kaya na afafata kaya adu khanagani haiba wafam Chief Minister na haiki Nongmagi changdaba yadraba potlam kaya si mapalamdagi loina pusilakmana ayambani maram aduna aikhoina su karigumba khara aikhoigi oiba puthok-puthokna mayam pumnamakta kanahanba haibasi tangai fade haiki amadi yariba makhai tonga santoktana afafata tana duna chakhatnaba hotnaminasi haiba wafam N Biren media ki thongda phongdokhi
Professor mentioned we are verifying suitable area, not suitable area, where is the more suitable. That kind of things scientifically, after observation, after testing, this type of thing is taken up. And we have found some area like Jiribam, Mori, and Ukrul, and some part in Thawbal, some part in Palwes. So like this, we have already identified and we have started the plantation also. Due to the rumors and the misconception we are having in my mind, only there is a reason why we are delaying it to expand our projects.
Nakalamaramda thoram adubu saruk yakiba Agriculture Minister TH Bisozin hai hojikti farmers singna market ki damak karisu mipaningai oijai Manipur da pambi thaduna thau puthokna bahotna ba sina Manipur gi senmilon da hena afabo oiragani haiki amadi pambi thabada akoibagi fibam da mangjaba karisu leiroi haiba wafam phongdokhi
Even more, so we have identified 7,715 hectares in Jiribam. Jiribam now became the best place and the best suitable place for this oil palm plantation. And there, the ministry has given the 500 plantation money of the rupees 9.3 crore as mentioned by the Srivastavaji, and that is equivalent to 500 hectares only. And as discussed with the Srivastavaji on the dice, so why we are restricting to the 500 hectares only? This is my question to all the experts from Manipur, and even our brother Ulama is also the chairman of this, the committee. So we need to enhance the arrangement of the land, because we have identified for the 66,652 and even more 7,715 in Geneva. So altogether we have already identified 74,367.